Microsoft Azure and Thinaer have partnered to provide critical missing data for digital transformation projects. Most commercial and almost all classified area manufacturing processes are not instrumented or instrumentable. This results in upwards of 75% of digital blind spots, leaving manufacturers without a complete data picture to make strategic decisions. With Thinaer's industrial IoT asset tracking and digital twin powered by Microsoft Azure, you can fill manufacturing blind spots with the critical data and analysis required to make better, more profitable production decisions. Ensuring digital transformation success while building the industry's most complete data set for next-gen AI initiatives. Tracking the untrackable with continuous and contextualized visibility into current blind spots is the foundation of every commercial and classified area digital transformation initiative, focused on improving yield, profitability, and compliance while decreasing waste, maintenance, and energy consumption. How can you make effective decisions without a complete data picture? Let Thinaer and Microsoft show you that filling these blind spots is easier than you think.